So I'm here at the shop today. We're laying laying the floor down at the Swiss Trax that we're laying out. It's gonna be a pretty sweet design. We got a whole buttload of them. Boxes. It's gonna go in all 3 rooms. We're gonna use this room here for car wash and detailing and clear coating and clear braing. We're also gonna use this room here for car wash and detailing. What's up, man? How's it going? Got all the different pallets of the Swiss Trax here. And we're gonna Swiss Trax all the way towards my shop area in the back. So we got some office area over here, a little showroom for stuff. Here's the layout we're going for. This here is that room over there. This design here. That room here. And then here's the design. Yeah. We got roofers here too. It's gonna go all the way back there. So if you've never seen Swiss Trax before, they're pretty easy to assemble. Two sides have loops. And on the bottom side, there's the nipples that snap into them. So if you look, it's a whole row of loops. So all you do, line them up, and then that's it, down. So we're gonna go ahead and do this whole room and try to time lapse it and see how it looks. So we didn't mess up. We kind of messed up, but we didn't mess up. So here's half the room so far. Awesome. Almost done with that half. Got all the boxes laid out. The worst part is unpacking and unbanding. Got a lot of boxes here. Install is super easy. You lay them down and they snap into each other. I'll show you why we kind of messed up. So like on the edges, there's one side of loops, another side of loops. On the bottom there's catches. You guys are, yeah, you're fine, good. So ideally we're supposed to start from the furthest corner and work our way to the end. But what's gonna save us is there's a little bit of a lip right here in the concrete. So we don't really have to snap these in. But for the other 2 rooms, we're gonna start at the furthest corner and work our way in. So hope you guys like the time lapse, but these things are pretty cool. They're pretty stout. Might outfit the garage with some. So shout out to Swiss Trax. tricky part is we got to cut around there. We're going to transition because the concrete is a 1/4 inch down from here. It butts up pretty decent over here. I'm going to have to trim around the water line, beam, and then it's going to finish up the run over there. These are super easy to install, and it feels really stout. We tried to move the floor after laying down half the floor to get an extra, 1/2 inch from the wall. Could not budge it. Could not get it to move, but it feels pretty good. My only concern is if you drop something down. I might have dropped the contact. Gotta find it, but no, it's pretty good. I can't wait to do the other rooms and see. Check it out. Who would not want, man, I'm getting old. Who would not want to have this floor in their garage? Swiss Trax. Hook it up, man. Give me a shout. Hook up my garage at home. All right, I'll do more video on the other rooms, but we'll just do this a couple part series. This one's almost done. It's gonna take a bit to trim and get the pieces to fit. I got a jigsaw that I can use and a table saw. We can finish this room up pretty good. Thanks, guys.